Okay, so if you've never made a movie before, take a look at this.
Do not return until you have everything that we need.
I can't just let them kill you.
But you don't know me.
When him say you hear nipa tree, it is your enemy.
The gods of our land proclaimed that the first female daughter would lead the people of Yanka to change the leadership of this wicked king.
That is a trailer to our recent film that we have been working on, and this film actually took me away from this channel for a very long time now. I know most of you have been asking, Africa Amaze, where are you, and all that. Hey, I'm finally back to this channel, and as you saw from the trailer, it wasn't easy, but we also learned a lot of lessons making this film, and that is the goal of this video, to tell you guys that we are back and also to share with you some experiences or some of the things that we learned when it comes to making low-budget films like this, and share with you techniques and ways that you can go around it so that your budget does not truly reflect your final project. I know it is quite hard to do, and stick around to the end of the video to fully grasp this. I know it is every beginner filmmaker's dream to get out there and make your very first film, but you and I, to be very frank, we usually do not have that money to set out to make that kind of blockbuster film that we usually dream of. So one thing I always say is that always make sure to keep it small when you are starting. Just keep at the back of your mind that no matter how hard you try to make that film look great, your first film is never going to be as great as your next film. So with this in mind, know that this was our first film. We actually went out to shoot this film knowing very well that we didn't have a lot of budget. But hey, sometimes some of these kind of projects are very important because we're here on YouTube. And don't get us wrong, we love you, our YouTube audience, so much. But hey, before we came to YouTube, we were already traditional filmmakers. So we decided to use this time period to go out there and shoot this movie. Of course, in collaboration with one of the universities we have right here in Ghana, which is the University of Education, Winneba. And so we came up with this awesome idea to make this film that we just show you the trailer in the beginning. And during this whole process, one of the major lessons that we learned from this is that always write your scripts according to what is available. What do we mean by this? Have you heard about a pilot project before? So make sure that before you go out there and shoot a full feature, I would always suggest that start by making short films, because once you start there, you begin to understand all the little nuances and all the challenges that comes along with filmmaking. I know it is very tempting to think that you are going to be the next Spielberg or maybe the next greatest filmmaker out there, but I entreat you to take things slow, calm down, make a short film first, understand the rudiments of filmmaking and all the challenges that comes along with it before you go out there to shoot your first full feature film. And by shooting a short film first, trust me, all the experiences are going to come in handy when you have to deal with a larger crew or a larger cast or just dealing with a longer story in general. In this case, all the experiences, all the locations that we actually went to and all the experiences we gathered during the shooting of the first Christian in 2019, all those experiences came in handy when we had to shoot this particular feature. Even though shooting this feature only took 4 days, which is going to be another whole separate video altogether, and I encourage you to click on the subscribe button because currently we are on our way to 10,000 subscribers, and it will be an honor to have you guys join this channel as we are on our way to 10,000 subs. Because trust me, if I'm inspired, we are going to be posting some excerpts of this film on this particular channel. So please make sure to click on the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the post notification bell so you are notified anytime I drop those videos or anytime I drop any film.